Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing the Kreepy Krauly Dominator pool cleaner. It's my second one. The other one lasted about 7 years, and I just decided to keep to the product, and it has given me good service. Well, without any further ado, let's open it up. So I'm going to use the knife. There. Alright, let's open it up. Trying to do it with one hand. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pipes, and then we have the actual cleaner itself, the one with the wheels. We have regulator, and then of course we also have the flow pressure. Ultimately you want it to be about down there, so you got to test it with your pool to make sure it's around about there. And we got supplied with one weight. And the last thing is the actual instructions, which we normally don't read at all. Alright, as I explained, you get the pool cleaner. What I do find is that you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full lengths. Then you get the shorter version, which I assume is going to be at the rear, and then of course the shorter of those will be at the machine itself. You're going to connect that there, and then you're going to add the weight for that. But yeah, thank you for watching.